G'day team, welcome back to CEW.Manufacturing. I'm still Matt and I've got a really short video for you today about clear coats. If you've been following my carbon wing project, you should know that it's near completion and you may have guessed it, it's in need of a top coat of some kind. I know I should use a 2-part clear or something to that effect to give it the proper durability, but I've never tried it before and want to start simple. Just to be safe. So today, I'm going to experiment with 2 different types of pressure packs. I'm going to use a Rustoleum Satin clear and also a Dulux gloss clear just to see how they go. I'm just using some scrap carbon offcuts from the wing for this testing. Okay, the first one I'm going to do is just the satin clear coat from Rustoleum. We're only focusing on this area here because this is the area that we've sanded and prepped properly. And we've also then gone and washed it off camera and given it a solvent wipe with acetone. And just for comparison, I will spray an area that hasn't been sanded just to see how that goes as well. So it's a long way of saying I'm going to spray the whole thing and just have a look at the different surfaces and basic surface prep. Alright, next up we have 2 parts we're going to do in a gloss, and again just the Dulux Duramax gloss clear coat. Same technique before, just a light coat over the whole thing. And then, oh, that's a pain. New plan. That small one's too light, so we're just going to... So we've got our 3 pieces here. These 2 are the gloss and this piece here is the satin. I'm actually liking the look of the satin better than I do the gloss, but this is only 1 coat and we'll see what happens. All of the little air bubbles that were related to pinholes in the surface have disappeared, though you can still see quite a bit of texture from where the peel ply hasn't been fully rubbed back to flat carbon. So we're probably going to give this another coat and we'll see what happens. But just as a point of reference, if you look at this one here, ignoring those inclusions on the side, this one's actually really quite nice. This was given a lot more of a sand than this one was, and it was all the way back to carbon. So I think we're on the right path, and we'll just see what happens. Alright, so we're back here and we've got 5 coats of paint on each of these sample parts. The cylindrical bits come up really nice. I had a little run there where the thing fell over, so I started putting on a bolt just to weigh it down. But that's come up looking really nice and shiny. The high gloss on the flat carbon looks really good. You can see up around here that there's the peel ply is still printing through. So it just shows that where I've sanded it's nice and flat and smooth, but over here it's not as crash hot. This paint, it's not overly hard, but it's not bad. This here's a satin finish. I actually think I like the satin finish more. Just looks nicer, and it hides the peel ply print through if there's any just a little bit more. So you don't have to be quite as aggressive on the sanding. It feels a bit harder to touch as well. So anyway, that's the couple of parts, my samples, and I'm going to use this to decide how I'm going to do the wing. So thanks for watching, and hope you have a good day. See ya.